Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I'll be doing the gaming review, battery drain test and the heat test of Asus ZenFone Max M1. Now before we get started, these are the specifications and anti-2 Geekbench scores of this phone. Now coming to my current setup, phone currently has 66% of battery left and there is an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the current room temperature is 27 degrees. Now coming to the temperature of the phone, on the front I have seen a maximum of 32 to 33 degrees, at the bottom it's about 36, on the back I have seen a maximum of 33 degrees and at the bottom it is 32 degrees. Now we'll start the timer and start the gaming review with Asphalt 9. For some reason, for all the latest Asus phones, that's Asus ZenFone Lite L1, Max M1, Asus Max M2 and even the Asus Max Pro M2, especially for Asphalt 9, accelerometer is not working. So when I selected tilt control, I was not able to play this game at all. So as of now, I really can't say about the gaming experience, but as far as the visuals go, they look pretty decent. They're not awesome, but considering the HD resolution, they look kinda okay. If you really want to play this game, you can change the control types to tap control and then play the game. By the way, I tried to restart the game, restart the phone, even tried to change the controls. For some reason, accelerometer was not working for this game on this phone. It might be fixed with a future update from Gameloft. Anyway guys, I've been trying to play this game for about 9 minutes. Now let's check the temperature of the phone. On the front I've seen a maximum of 41 degrees, at the bottom it is 40 degrees. On the back I've seen a maximum of 40 degrees and at the bottom it is 36 degrees. Next I'll be playing Modern Combat 5. There seems to be a slight bit of lag, but it's negligible, and overall the game is playable. But because of the HD plus resolution, display looks really pixelated. There are too many details in the frame and that's making the display even more pixelated. So except for the issue with the display, overall gaming experience for this particular game is pretty good. So guys, I've been playing this game for about 8 minutes. Now let's check the temperature of the phone. On the front, I've seen a maximum of 43 degrees, at the bottom it is 42. On the back, I've seen a maximum of 42 degrees, and at the bottom, I've seen a maximum of 37 degrees. Next, I'll be playing Pubsey Mobile. I'll be playing this game in smooth graphics settings with medium frame rate, and that's the highest graphics settings available for this phone. Now as you can see, there is a slight bit of lag, but the game is still playable. Visuals look kinda okay and the gaming experience is pretty smooth. If you are a new player to PUBG, then you can definitely play this game on this phone. So guys, I've been playing this game for about 14 minutes. Now let's check the temperature of the phone. On the front I've seen a maximum of 47 degrees. At the bottom I've seen a maximum of 43 degrees. On the back it's fluctuating from 43 to 46 degrees. And at the bottom it is 38 degrees. So guys, as far as the gaming review goes, we can play most of the high-end games on this phone with minimal to no lag. But the visuals don't look that impressive or appealing. If you play games like Modern Combat 5 or even Asphalt 9 with too many details, display feels pixelated. With that said, game is still playable. Now the phone feels pretty hot, especially near the front facing camera and on the back, but it is still manageable. Now coming to the battery drain test, I have been playing games continuously for about 32 minutes and the phone currently has 52% of battery left. So for 32 minutes of gameplay, phone used 14% of battery, which is kinda bad when compared to Asus ZenFone Lite L1, which also comes with similar specs. So guys, now for the final heat test, I'll be taking pictures continuously using both the front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature of the phone once again. By the way, there is still an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the current room temperature is 27 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and start the heat test. So guys, it's been 3 minutes since I've been taking the pictures. Now let's check the temperature of the phone. On the front I've seen a maximum of 49 degrees, that's the highest so far. At the bottom it is 42 degrees and on the back it's fluctuating from 43 degrees to 48 degrees. Once again that's pretty hot. And at the bottom I've seen a maximum of 39 degrees. Now the phone feels pretty hot, especially near the front facing camera and the rear camera. Now in those 3 minutes I've taken about 191 pictures, which is kinda bad. Usually most phones take more than 200 pictures. But this count is still better than Asus ZenFone Lite L1. So guys, overall, if you try to push your phone to its limits, like playing games like Pubsey continuously for more than 15 minutes or taking pictures continuously for more than 3 to 5 minutes, phone will become insanely hot. Now with that said, even after doing the heat test when I tried to use the phone, everything was pretty smooth. There was no throttling going on because of the heating issue. So that's a pretty good thing. So this phone will become pretty hot if you push it, but there are no heating issues and there is no throttling either. On normal usage, this phone doesn't heat up at all. So guys, that was the gaming review, battery drain test and the heat test of Asus ZenFone Max M1. If you like this video, hit that like button and share it with your friends, and if you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description, it always helps the channel. And if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.